dali nitong pancit sardinas at di na kailangan i-go over ang steps, kaya magkukwento na lang ako. In 2013, I started my food blog Kawaling Pinoy. I was working as a dietary manager, kaya pag weekends lang ako nakakapagluto. I would cook 5 to 10 dishes every Saturday and Sunday para may content akong ready for the whole week. After 3 years of hard work and many answered prayers, lumaki naman ang aking website to the point na pwede na akong mag-quit sa trabaho. Throughout this time, ang number one fan ko was my mother. Every time nag-increase ang followers or maganda ang kinita, sasabihin niya, "Oh, thank you, Jesus." I remember the day I told her I'd be vlogging full-time. Tahimik lang siya for a good few minutes. Pinag-iisipan siguro ang sasabihin. She wanted to be supportive pero syempre concerned pa rin sa aking decision. 2016 kasi parang bago pa lang ang concept ng full-time content creator. Her first question was, paano pag naubusan ka na ng alam lutuin? Natawa talaga ako sa tanong niya. With God's grace, quitting my job to vlog full-time turned out to be a good decision. Yung aking leap of faith landed me in a great place. Dahil 100% effort na, I was able to grow my blog into a small business. This pancit sardinas reminded me of my conversation with my mother many years ago. Ito kasi ay perfect example ng as a food blogger, hindi talaga mauubusan ng content. Our Filipino cuisine is so varied and complex. Kahit 600 plus na ang mga recipes sa blog ko, I've barely scratched the surface. Ang mga home cooks natin ay creative rin sa kanilang mga delicious twists sa ating mga classic dishes. Anyway, mabalik tayo sa ating pancit recipe today. Gumamit ako ng regular and spicy sardines and tomatoes for a little kick. I added sayote for more texture and sustansya. You can also use upo, cabbage, or patola. Hindi ko na sinok ang bihon dahil ang brand na ginagamit ko ay madaling lumambot at maluto. At para rin ma-absorb ng noodles ng mabuti ang lasa ng sauce. Madaling lutuin, mura at masarap na pang merienda or pang ulam with a side of pandesal. Enjoy!